Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today I've got an awesome treat for you guys. What I'm going to be doing is a mini ITX build. It's going to be a mid-range build, and its goal is going to be portability, LAN parties, traveling, maybe a home theater setup. You want just a small form factor case that can fit almost anywhere that looks great.
thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can't figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my thought.
Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the world in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go. Never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can't figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choices.
Can I take